Hey riders! Welcome back to Turbo Drive Avenue, your trusted source for the latest motorcycle news, reviews, and updates from the world of two wheels. Today, we're taking a closer look at the 2025 Honda Shadow Phantom, a classic cruiser with timeless styling, modern performance, and Honda's legendary reliability. If you love blacked-out looks and smooth cruising, this one's for you. Let's dive in. Design and features. The 2025 Shadow Phantom carries Honda's signature minimalist cruiser design with bold street presence. The matte black finish, blacked-out engine, and low-slung stance give it an aggressive yet elegant attitude. It features a teardrop fuel tank, wide handlebars, and spoked wheels that bring out that retro charm, while the all-LED lighting setup and digital analog instrument cluster add a touch of modern appeal. Honda has focused on rider comfort with a low seat height, forward foot controls, and a relaxed riding posture, making it perfect for long rides or everyday cruising. Engine and performance. At the heart of the 2025 Honda Shadow Phantom is a 745 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled V-twin engine, delivering around 45 horsepower and 65 newton-meters of torque. It's paired with a 5-speed transmission and shaft drive, ensuring smooth and low-maintenance performance. The engine provides excellent throttle response, steady torque delivery, and that deep, satisfying V-twin rumble every cruiser fan loves. It's not about raw speed, it's about effortless cruising with confidence and character. Pricing and availability. The 2025 Shadow Phantom is expected to roll into Honda showrooms by mid-2025, with a starting price around $8,400. It will be available in sleek new colors like matte black metallic and gray metallic, both highlighting its stealthy cruiser identity. Honda's build quality and durability make this bike a solid investment for anyone entering or continuing their cruiser journey. Driving experience. When it comes to ride quality, the Shadow Phantom delivers smooth and comfortable performance. The low 25.8-inch seat height makes it easy to handle for riders of all sizes. The 41mm front fork and dual rear shocks offer a balanced suspension setup that absorbs bumps well, whether you're riding through city streets or along scenic highways. The bike feels stable, predictable, and easy to maneuver, perfect for relaxed rides or weekend getaways. Final thoughts. The 2025 Honda Shadow Phantom perfectly blends old-school cruiser vibes with modern reliability and performance. It's stylish, comfortable, and built to last, a true reflection of Honda's craftsmanship. Whether you're a new rider looking for your first cruiser or a veteran who values simplicity and class, the Shadow Phantom is a ride worth considering. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more motorcycle updates right here on Turbo Drive Avenue. Thanks for watching, and as always, ride safe, ride smart, and keep your drive alive. Motorcycle.